you like, the effect on Comex, which has basically been a failure as an operation. But in London, you have got ETF holders both in gold and silver. ETF holders are characterized by a reasonable portion of them being the sort of smaller private investors. By smaller, I mean they probably own less than £20,000 worth, say $40,000, $50,000 worth. Now, these are the people who are likely to be scared out of a position. As the ringmaster in the whole thing, you can arrange things to make people scared.